So the wind's going to come in from the west. That means we got space to... Sucks there has to be so much rain. No, I do think that is something. Yeah, I think that is a funnel.
It looks like it's coming down, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be moving that way though. So and then we make sure we get this way if anything. Yep.
We'll be going that way really damn fast.
No, this.
Look.
Yep, there it is. This way though. But we're okay. I promise. We are fine.
Yeah,
that's
it's happening right there.
Yeah, here, move up beyond these trees. Yeah. Maybe briefly this driveway. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
How about?
Guy has no idea. It's literally forming right behind his dang house. Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yep, it's roping out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it may not even come down. Who knows?
It looks like it's going back up.
Yeah.
That was wild. You could see it like pulling down.
Yep.